Hello. Interested in using Bonchat for private conversations? I'll guide you through getting it, configuring it, and using it. It's highly secure and ideal for protected communication. Let's begin. First, get Bonchat. Go to the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Look for Bonchat, press install, and set it up. It's free to begin. Second, launch the application. Upon opening Bonchat, you'll need to connect to a server. Input the server address given by your organization or team, or simply scan a QR code for an immediate connection. Third, creating your own server. Visit Bonchat.app. You can purchase a server package, beginning at $6,000 monthly for cloud hosting. This offers you complete data management with end-to-end encryption. Very safe. Fourth, begin messaging. The app's interface is straightforward, similar to WhatsApp. Exchange messages and files or set up groups with adjustable settings. It works across phones, tablets, and computers, so you remain connected anywhere. Why Bonchat? It employs strong encryption, meaning only you and your recipients can see your chats. Additionally, you can host it on your own servers for greater control. Excellent for businesses or confidential circles. That's all. Download Bonchat, connect to or create a server, and begin secure messaging now. Go to Bonchat.app for further information. Stay secure and keep communicating.